Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today, I want to talk about an important word that'll help you ace the GRE verbal section, acme. Now, what exactly is acme? Simply put, acme means the highest point or peak of something. For example, you could say, she reached the acme of her career. It signifies the pinnacle or zenith where things can't get any better. Understanding words like acme can give you a significant edge on the GRE. The test doesn't just gauge your vocabulary, but also your ability to understand and use these words correctly. So let's dive deeper. First, why is vocabulary so crucial for the GRE? The GRE verbal section is designed to test your ability to analyze and understand complex texts. A rich vocabulary helps you to navigate through tricky questions, understand nuances, and choose the correct answers efficiently. You'll often encounter words like acme in reading comprehension passages, text completion, and sentence equivalence questions. Recognizing and understanding these words can save you valuable time and reduce the stress of second-guessing your answers. So, how do you use acme effectively? In sentences, acme is usually a noun. For example, the artist's latest sculpture is considered the acme of modern art. Here, acme highlights the highest level or most excellent achievement in modern art. Another example could be, the company's success reached its acme during the last quarter. This suggests that the company was at its peak performance. Incorporating acme into your own writing and speech can also make you sound more articulate and sophisticated. Practice by writing sentences or finding synonyms like apex, pinnacle, or zenith. This will help you to remember the word and understand its usage in different contexts. To truly excel on the GRE, make sure you expand your vocabulary regularly, read a variety of materials such as journals, books, and articles, use flashcards, apps, and other resources to keep track of new words, engage in discussions and practice using new words in your everyday conversations. Remember, building a strong vocabulary is like reaching the acme of a mountain. It takes time, effort, and consistency, but once you're at the top, you'll have a better view and a greater understanding. So keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself at the acme of GRE success. Good luck. Until next time, stay curious and keep reaching for the stars.